Hey, what's up? This is Ed, and I wanted to thank you first for dropping by my post and checking out how to build your own float frame. This is the finished project that I built, and it is a standard canvas mount float frame mounting a 3/4 inch canvas. It's pretty standard size with a 1/2 inch relief. That's the distance between the canvas and the frame board. So I do get some questions about, what if I want to build a float frame and I have got a different thickness of canvas. Oftentimes you'll find a 3/4 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 or 2.5 inches are a little less common, but if you're ordering a canvas online, sometimes you can get those. And they look really good with a float frame mount. Also, maybe you want a different relief, something like a 1/4 inch or maybe a 3/4 inch relief. So I've created the ultimate float frame reference guide that you can download from this post, and in it I go over start to finish how to build a float frame, both standard canvas mount and also a mixed media or project mount, something like this that's got a full back to it so that you can mount mixed media artwork. And I have a couple of reference charts that show how to cut your wood and lengths and widths for pretty much any standard size canvas that you can either buy or order online. I've also got a lot of tips, kind of basic woodworking tips on how to create a really sturdy canvas, how to handle the corners, and build something that's going to stand the test of time along with your artwork. So I hope you'll check that out. And also, please, if you've got any questions about building your own float frame, drop me a comment on the blog or drop by my Facebook page. And I'd also, if you've used this to build some of your own or mount some of your own artwork, I'd love to see some pictures. So I hope you'll send those. Anyway, thanks for checking this post out.